Look what we got. This thing is tremendous. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to do a close-up look of the Gigabyte TRX40 Designare motherboard. Now, I want everybody to see this bad boy up close and in person. This is all going to be recorded in 4K so you can get the 4K goodness of clarity. This thing is tremendous. The board itself is an ATX XL motherboard, so you need a large case inside to support this motherboard. This is for the Threadripper, the 3900 series Threadripper, so 3960X, 70X, and 3990X CPUs. All right, without further ado, let's open it up. Now, it is a really nice presentation as it opens up like so. It did come with a plastic cover, which I have here. I just removed it. Okay, so let's just spin this over. There are 2 add-in cards that this comes with, but this thing is really heavy. Okay, it has, I mean, it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. But it's got slots for NMV 3rd generation PCI Express NMV M.2 drives. You can clearly see the slot locations of them. They're right here. The CPU goes here. You have plenty of space for memory. This will be populated with 128 gigs of memory. And which is really unique about this particular board, there's actually a backplate. So as the video cards were coming out with backplates, now motherboards have them too. This has a 16 plus 4 power modules for the CPU. It's quite impressive. Has a 3.2 header on here. I'll show you all the close-up shots of this. This is quite impressive. This is like the coolest freaking thing I've ever seen. So let's just continue with the unboxing. So you see the motherboard again. While I'm talking, you'll see I'll be showing you close-up shots of this thing. It's got. So let's go further. Now, this has an add-in card if you decide to use it. And they call it the GC Titan Ridge. All right, this adds Thunderbolt technology to your motherboard. It offers any power connectors here and a couple of branch out connectors on here as well. And then the front of it has all the display port, Type C, 2 connection Type C, and then 2 Thunderbolts. Right, if you can get close to it so the camera could zoom in on it. I'll close up shots of this thing. Unfortunately, I will not be using this for this installation. So we have this other thing here, which is really unique. And haven't used it yet, but it almost looks like the Founders Edition NVIDIA card. But it's not, and this is quite heavy. This is beefy. This, my friends, is an NVMe RAID card. It supports 4 NVMe drives in one device. So you can have 4 of them, and you can set up RAID on this bad boy and have high performance, like unbelievable. So if you have 4 2 terabyte drives, do RAID 0. Holy crap, 8 terabytes of storage of ultra speed goodness. And this is pretty impressive, actually. So let's get some close-up shots of this bad boy and have you start drooling, because I'm drooling as well. So let's check this out. You have a small little segue here, a little bit of music, and enjoy the photos. So my friends, what do you think of that? I mean, I'm looking extremely forward to building this baby. It's already in the case. I'm just waiting for the CPU, and when that comes, then we're going to do some immense of testing with this baby. But I'm hope that you enjoyed this video. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this if you just want to buy it on looks alone, which is what I did. Every Gigabyte board that I buy has never let me down. Gigabyte is one of my favorite motherboards that I buy for pretty much every task. For the 1950X, which is what I edit all my videos with currently, which will be replaced with this baby. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was what you thought it was. Look forward to a demonstration of it shortly. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.